So, can scalp massages really stop hair loss and help your hair to grow? Or are they just another hair loss myth? We're gonna dive into the science and give you the answer today. The truth is, scalp massages can improve hair health and promote hair growth if they're done correctly. And when you combine them with certain other tools and treatments, the results can be even more impressive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to perform effective scalp massages so you know how to maximize their benefits. But firstly, how do scalp massages work? Let's jump straight in and start with the basics. So why are scalp massages good for hair growth? The first critical factor is blood flow. Studies have found that men with male pattern baldness have significantly less blood flow in the balding areas of their scalp compared to the rest of the head. Men with healthy hair, on the other hand, show no such difference. Less blood flow means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach the hair follicles themselves, leading to weaker and thinner hair. Fortunately, scalp massages can change that. A 2016 study found that just 4 minutes of scalp massages daily increases hair thickness after 24 weeks. In other words, the hair shafts literally become wider, thicker. But why? Well, there's two main reasons. The massage gently stimulates blood flow in the scalp. This improved blood flow nourishes the hair roots, boosting the hair shaft's growth. Mechanical stimulation of the scalp skin alters the genetic expression of the dermal papilla cells, the control centers of the hair follicles. These cells regulate the hair growth cycle, and with a healthier hair growth cycle, you get thicker, longer hair. But there's another critical factor in this hair loss story, and that's fibrosis. This refers to the abnormal buildup of collagen around the hair follicles that can choke off their growth. Collagen is a structural protein that our body normally uses to provide strength and elasticity to the skin and the connective tissues. But when collagen builds up excessively around the hair follicles, as it does in fibrosis, it can harden and restrict healthy hair growth. Again, this is something we don't see in men with healthy hair. In balding men, on the other hand, the more advanced their hair loss, the more extensive the fibrosis. Regular scalp massages help break down this collagen buildup, clearing the path for healthier hair growth. Imagine your scalp like a tightly packed field of dry, hardened soil. Over time, scalp massages gently break up the tough patches, making the ground softer and more fertile for growth. Okay, so how do you perform scalp massages to optimize them for growth? Now that you have a better understanding of what causes hair loss and how scalp massages can help, let's talk about exactly how to give yourself a scalp massage so that you can see the best results possible. On this channel, we've talked about the 4 main methods. The first is knuckling. This is really easy. You just take your knuckles and press them in to the sides of your scalp like this, just above the ear. If you spend a few minutes right now pressing your knuckles into the muscles in your head, you'll feel it tomorrow in a really good way. As we just talked about, it's important we get rid of these tense muscles in the scalp when you want to encourage new hair growth. So don't be afraid to get in there with the knuckles on the sides and the back, anywhere you feel that muscular tension. The next method is pinching. It might sound a little bit painful, but it's not. Pinching is simple. All you have to do is use your thumb and forefinger to gently pinch on the thinning areas of the scalp. Single-handedly is probably easier, but you can use both hands if you want. In other words, the thumb of one hand and the forefinger of another, or just however you like to do it with 2 hands. The third method is squeezing. Use the bottom half of your palm to push together a larger area of the scalp. Place your hands about 5 to 10 centimeters away from each other and squeeze together upwards so that you're creating as much movement as you can. Your goal should be to cover all parts of the scalp, spending a bit of extra time in the areas with the most hair loss. So now obviously the longer you can do this for, the better. but it's not always easy to consistently massage daily for long stretches of time. If you've tried it before, you know it gets tiring and tedious pretty quickly. You can get someone to help you, like a friend, a partner, or even a professional masseuse. But that's obviously not practical for most people on a day-to-day basis. Obviously, most people can't afford their own professional masseuse. And this is where the fourth method comes in. And this can actually take your hair regrowth journey to another level, especially if you use it alongside other methods. It's called the Growband Pro, and it's more than just a scalp massager. It's a smarter, more effective solution that's targeted specifically for hair loss. It's fully self-powered and fully automated. So all you have to do is adjust it to fit comfortably onto your head. And once it's in place, it takes over completely, giving your scalp the stimulation it needs without any effort on your part. Using the Growband isn't just effective, it's incredibly relaxing as well. Users generally describe it as soothing and stress relieving, making it a treat to look forward to every day. Just let the Growband work its magic for 10 to 20 minutes a day and you're good to go. It helps improve blood flow to the scalp, it strengthens your hair, all while you're free to relax. It's hands-free, so you can basically just get on with the other things that you want to do in your day. One other thing to keep in mind is that the more hair loss treatments that you can use together, the better and there are faster results that you will get. So if you want to stack the scalp massages or the Growband Pro with other treatments, those are going to work synergistically together to get you better results. But the scalp massages are a core foundation of reversing male pattern baldness at the root cause, because it really gets to that underlying issue that is causing the hair loss in the first place. That's why I always recommend scalp massages and the Growband as a key part of an anti-hair loss routine. The thing is, scalp massages, they take time. The studies show that 36 hours of cumulative massage are that sweet spot where you start to see results. So if you think about it, 36 hours, it's quite a long time. You really need to be consistent and do it every day for at least 10 minutes. And that is the hard part of using your own hands. And that's why we got so many people asking for a better solution. And then we created the Growband. So I really do recommend you do scalp massages. At an absolute minimum, you want to get into the sides of the scalp where you can feel the muscular tension with your knuckles. Every week or so is better than nothing. That will help relieve that muscular tension and improve the blood flow going up from the back of the neck and the sides into the top of the scalp. And again, just a reminder that these massages, they are cumulative. So you're actually creating a physical change in the structure of the scalp that can build up in a positive way over time. So just think the more you do, the better, and be consistent over time. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment if you've got any sort of question. I'll definitely answer it, and I'll see you in the next video.